How to properly handle MudSelect change events in MudBlazor. The problem, MudSelect change event not firing. When working with MudBlazor's MudSelect component, especially with multi-selection, you may find that the change event does not trigger as expected using typical binding methods. Here's an example where the change handler does not fire. The code attempts to use at bind-SelectedValues event as an event trigger, which is incorrect. Understanding at bind syntax in Blazor. At bind property creates two-way binding between the property and the component value. At bind property, event lets you specify the DOM event, like onChange or onInput, that triggers the binding. However, MudBlazor's MudSelect has a custom pattern for notifying changes, especially on multi-selection. The correct approach, use at bind-SelectedValues after. MudBlazor provides an after event to run code after the binding updates. Change your markup to This runs on level change after _selected levels updates, ensuring your handler fires properly. Alternative, one-way binding with selected values changed. If you prefer manual control, bind selected values one way. Handle changes with selected values changed. Example. And in code behind. This pattern gives clearer control over state changes and event handlers. Summary. Use at bind selected values after to react after two-way bound values update. Alternatively, handle selected values changed event with manual state assignment. Avoid misusing at bind selected values event as it does not trigger callbacks as expected. This ensures your MudSelect component fires change events correctly in Blazor apps using MudBlazor.